Ah! This is what I get. I come out here trying to work on the stall barn, and this is what I get from our cow. Look at this.
Stop! I'm leaving it.
What's up, YouTube fam? We out here doing our biz. We're out here working on the stall barn today.
We are. I mean, I've pretty much done it all so far, but I asked for his help today.
It's pretty accurate, actually.
What Mom said, she said most of he did it, that's a complete lie. It's the opposite. Most of he did it, he just needed a little help from her, that's all.
Well, Mama's out here today to help us out. She's usually inside taking care of this little one, and it's usually too cold for her to be out. So we have this plastic here. She's going to, I want to wrap the outside of the stall barn where the retaining wall is with the plastic. We're going to staple it on. So then when I backfill it with the dirt, it'll help keep kind of the moisture and the dirt from seeping through the crack. What are you doing?
Giving Sparkle some alfalfa because she had a baby this morning. And she seems like she's weak.
How many babies do we have right now?
8.
If you could, I don't know if you could hear that over the stinking rooster, but we have 8 baby goats right. We have 8 baby goats right now.
Some very nosy neighbors. Very nosy neighbors. Here's another nosy neighbor.
So we got 8 baby goats.
Two boys, 6 girls. Hi guys, I love you. Make sure you subscribe. Bye.
What's her name?
Her name is Twinkle.
Say all the mamas are doing good. Isn't that right, Mama?
Yeah, they seem to be doing really good. All the babies too.
So 2 of them, Oreo and Lila, were ones that had triplets, and they gave us triplets last year, or actually 2 years ago. So the other 3 mamas are their first time as mama, and they did really, really well. You never know when they're their first time how well they're going to do, but they did really well.
And they each had one.
Yeah, and they each had one, yep. Alright, let's get to that stall barn.
Lila. You look like
This is Lila, and this is the queen bee of all the goats. So this is what you'll be doing, Mama. Logan.
What you got, Cookie? That's me. Eli, put a shoe for us. Yeah, do we have enough of this show?
Here she goes again.
Is she looking at you?
No, she's rubbing up against my leg. Ah! This is what I get. I come out here trying to work on the stall barn, and this is what I get from our cow. Look at this. It kind of feels good. It's like a big leg butt massage. All right, good grief. This is what I came out here last time. Is what she was doing. Do you mind? I'm not a scratching post. Oh, gosh, they're so strong.
Let me see. I'll even record it. Puddin, do you love Dada?
You didn't like the tape measure on me? Is that what it was? Good thing she doesn't have any horns.
Yeah, really.
That horn be going right in my butt cheek.
I want to pet it.
Do you mind? Are you, okay. This is what I get. I can't do nothing around here. Is this? Are you saying you want some scratches? What are you trying to say? Is that better? There you go. Get. Oh yeah.
Oh no! Is it rough?
Yes.
Yeah.
Puddin, we don't need none of this nonsense.
Yeah.
All right.
We already have enough nonsense.
This is what happened. I pushed her a little. I just pushed her head a little bit, and this is what I get.
Oh my gosh.
I love you too.
Everyone loves you.
Can you let us do some work around here now?
Yeah.
Puddin.
All right, reach out, pet her. There you go.
Oh, good
Hey,
job.
Eat it.
Pepper and Chloe, you're not being left out. You were fine.
Hey, Eli, this is my brother.
This is why you.
My man's.
This is why you work out here with your wife out. So you can show off all your muscles.
Yeah.
According to this, she's 50 inches tall.
That was my guess. See, I think she's 2 inches taller than Belle. So, really, is it worth all the extra money and hype over 2 inches?
Nope.
Exactly.
They're gonna eat the same.
Right, eat the same amount of hay?
Yeah.
Yeah. A lot of people will pay extra $2,000 for a miniature Jersey when really they're just a tiny bit smaller.
We want to show you. I know we mentioned it a little earlier in another video, but this is our new family Jersey. Puddin. Hey, don't be walking away when we're talking to you. She was just right with us the entire time too. You want to walk down there?
Yeah, she's pregnant and she's due in June.
Yep.
And she's probably the nicest cow I've ever heard.
Oh my gosh, she is super nice. She is so it's so crazy that she is that nice and big and nice and everything. So this is our new family cow. This is Puddin. Come on.
Whoa, look at Maddie.
Whoa.
Carrying wood.
Say hi to all your friendly viewers.
This is Puddin. This is story 1 of Puddin.
And then we're gonna get you real close to the stomach. Can you see the baby? Just kidding. So anything else you want to say?
So you'll be seeing lots of stories from her. You're going to be seeing us milking her, her baby coming out and all that. It'll be a good time with her.
Yeah.
And Belle, we tried really, really hard with her, tried to train her, but she won't even come near us. And me or the boys can't be around her. We can't handle her. So we had to move on. We had to move on and get another cow, and we're super pleased.
So stick around so you'll be able to see the birth of her new baby, and us learning how to milk and that adventure. So we look forward to showing you all that stuff.
Whoa! Do you have muscles like Daddy? Wow! You carried all of that? That's incredible, Maddie. What's black all over you? You want to show them?
Ready?
Whoa! You do. Whoa! So they enclosed all of this with plywood, and now they're painting black, and they've got a climbing wall. This is gonna be a whole clubhouse. This is gonna be so awesome. Oh my, you're like half dinosaur.
Yeah.
Oh, it fell out. Hey, Pepper, you look very messy. Chloe, what are you doing? What are you doing?
Yeah.